Hello viewers, struggling to fit a bathroom under your Revit stairs without breaking your model? Squeezing a bathroom under a staircase usually turns into a nightmare of overlapping walls, broken clearances and constant errors. Today, I am going to reveal the standard, technically accurate workflow that makes modeling under stair spaces effortless. Most accurate method to handle those walls attachments step by step. Master this technique once and you will never struggle with understair geometry again. Let's jump straight into Revit without wasting any time. Okay, click on the level 1. Now just zoom in. Here we will delete this stair. We will create a new stair. Just click on stair and there we will start. Click here and click again here. Yes, it's almost perfect. Now we will change the size of stairs. Just make it 4 feet 6 inches and the same size we will use here. Four feet 6 inches. Now we will align the stair. Align from the back side and it's almost aligned. It's fine. Just make sure here. Click on align. Press AL and then this wall and outer area. Same. This is this wall and the last layer here. Just click OK. Now we will see in 3D model. Okay, we will use the section to see here. Use section box. Click on the box. Now we'll move it down and check here. It is our stair. Okay, click on level 1. We will use this door letter and change smaller size. Just for this room we will use a new door. We can use a double door also, like this one. Okay, now we will use wall, and wall we will use 8 inches generic or 6 inches. Just here in the center of the wall we'll click here and now we'll move the wall like here and then 8 feet here and again back to the center of the wall. Just see the wall slightly away from the stair. So use align command AL, click on stair here and outside of the wall and now it's aligned with the stair. Check again in 3D view. We can see the walls are above the stair or like that. Now we need to adjust under the stairs here. Okay, just click on level 1. Now we will use the section. Click here and click here. We can close its visual area. Now click on right, click on here and select go to view. Here we can see the walls are too long, so we need to adjust it. Use reference plane. Just click here and the reference plane like this. Now use align command AL and click on this stair line and then reference plan align. Click lock here. Now just click on the wall. Now we will click on attach to base and select this reference plan. The wall will be adjusted under the stair easily. This is a perfect technique that we will use. Now again select this wall, click on attach to base and select this reference plan. In the same way we will use this wall, attach to base and click on this reference plan. Now we will check in the 3D view. You can see, but this is a gap here because we will use 1 foot offset in the top floor. So click here and this wall and inside this wall, all 3 walls, and click here for 0 offset. It will be perfectly connected with the floor. Now we need to use a door here. Just click on level 1 again and now click on architecture tab. Now select the door and we will select here 3 inches by 80 inches. Now click here and this door will be open inside the washroom, so we'll click here. Now it will goes under the washroom. We'll check from 3D model again, just evolve it, and here we can see. So we adjusted the wall under stairs very easily by using a correct method. Now we can take its size here, just use the dimensions. This size, this size, this size will be within reels. Now we will change the railings. Let's move on 3D view. Just click on railings. Here we can change different types of railings like garden pipe. You can see a different rails here, and we also can use bottom filled glass panels like this one. So it's our choice. For today, it's for today our work has completed because I just want to show you the real technique of a bathroom under stairs. Thank you for watching.